This is Uncle Chris back again with
Kristen.
And guess what? We're doing a food pantry haul. Well, run for them. I brought them some food. I went to the food pantry and got them lots of goodies.
Yay.
And we're going to show you what we got. And we're going to give you some ideas of what they can make with the items from the food pantry. Okay?
Right on.
Okay. Let's just start showing what we got.
All right. So we got some black-eyed peas here.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, black-eyed peas.
Now, you know what? You can dope those up. When you take them out of the can, you know what you do?
What?
Cook some bacon.
Oh, that's
add it to the pot. And some onion.
Oh.
And a little bit of celery.
All right.
And you'll have homemade tasting baked beans.
And we also got kidney beans,
Mm-hmm.
even though I won't eat those because it gives me gas.
Ah!
But hubby, he loves his split peas.
Split pea soup.
My grandma used to make that. Great northern beans.
Ooh.
And of course, like I'll put this up here on top of the. We also got rice, which of course I like rice. We also got green beans, my favorite.
I love green beans.
And I like sweet corn.
Oh, you can mix green beans and corn together and make a pot of veggie.
And green peas. Oh, I love green peas.
Oh, Brian, come over here. What? See what they got? She's stacking up. Oh, check this out.
Oh, thank you for all the mac and cheese. My favorite raisins.
We got a bag
Okay.
of raisins.
Oh,
and I'm going to show you what you can do with these in just a moment.
Okay.
Because you got something in there you're going to mix these with.
Okay.
A whole bag of raisins.
All right.
And we got
Thanks for the mac and cheese.
a ton of mac and cheese.
Oh, yeah.
Now, if you follow my video, don't even use the packet in there. You can make your own cheese sauce.
Oh, how?
It has a lot of salt in it.
Oh, yeah, I know.
But if you're okay with it, you can use it. But yeah.
We also got, look at this, everybody. Eggs, which of course, thank you so much. We needed eggs very badly.
Oh, yeah.
We needed eggs.
And you know what? Let's check this out. When you get them from the food pantry, I say this all the time, not one broken.
Exactly.
Why isn't it like that in the store?
I don't know. Oh, hot dog buns. Perfect.
Yes. We can use these for hot dogs or sandwiches.
Oh, yeah.
Or chop them up.
Oh, thanks for the cornflakes. I love cornflakes in the morning.
Oh, yes.
Thank you.
Oh, and Rice Krispies.
Yeah. Oh, I love that.
We got both.
Oh, whoa. Oh, thanks for the hookup. We also got some more oatmeal. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Finally, cooking oil, pancake mix. Oh, thank you. Oh, cool. Vegetable oil. Thank you very much. Oh, pancake mix, which I needed.
This is the one you just add water to this.
Yeah. Strawberry fruit spread. Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Oh, I like that.
I'm going to take a look.
Look at this. Look at this, everybody. Strawberry fruit spread.
It's good.
Yep. And we also got, I gotta have a seat, hon. Oh, my back is starting to hurt. Pancake syrup. Yes.
Ooh.
Original. A white chicken.
Now, you know what you do with this?
What?
You can either put it in your soups.
Oh.
You can even add it to your split pea soup.
Oh, I didn't know that.
You can make a great chicken salad with this.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Peanut butter. Thank you for the peanut. I love peanut butter.
This will go good.
Yeah.
Oh, this is Mr. Nutty Buddies. Oh, look at this. It's got the peanut oil on top.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I've never had that before. The peanut butter with the oil on top.
Yeah.
Never had that. Oh, chicken noodle soup. Oh, that's what I like to eat.
We got 2 cans.
And especially when I have like a severe cold. I need that.
Yeah. Let's see.
Let's see, what else?
Oh, my goodness.
Whoa.
Look at this.
Mini beef raviolis.
And then we've got some spaghetti.
Oh.
We also have, the mini beef raviolis.
Oh, that's my favorite.
Which we can jazz up.
Oh, yeah.
Add some cheese to that. We got some spaghetti sauce.
Okay.
Some mixed vegetables.
Oh.
To throw in some of the soup.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, diced tomatoes.
Yeah.
Ooh. Some more diced tomatoes. You can also add those to salads. You don't have to make a sauce. And we do have some spaghetti sauce.
Ooh.
Oh, look, 2 cans of tuna. 2 cans of tuna.
Yep. But
Yes.
hubby is allergic to fish. So he can't eat fish.
Oh.
I can make it for her.
No, I will eat soy sauce. Oh, thank you very much. Yes.
I'll give it to Mom Cherie, the tuna.
Yeah. Yeah, because I can't eat tuna.
Oh.
What's in there?
Speaking of fish, we got tilapia.
Oh!
But we could do it for the neighbors.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tilapia.
I give that to Mom Cherie, honey.
Yeah, because she loves to eat
She
fish.
would love that. She go crazy over that.
Ground pork. We got
thank you.
tubes of this. You can make tacos.
Yeah.
You can make some pork and mac and cheese.
Oh, yeah.
With the gravy.
He has made that before. Mac and cheese with like ground pork. Yep. What's that? Chicken.
A 5-pound bag of chicken drumsticks. Great for the grill.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. And speaking about
that.
grills, we do actually have like a grill. Anyway.
But we need to get charcoal and lighter fluid.
Yeah, I know. What's that?
Jenny, turkey.
Oh, cool.
Turkey burgers.
Turkey burgers.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, that is so good.
And then we got a bag of onions.
Oh, he loves cooking with onions. He loves to cook with onions.
Look at the size of
I
these.
see that. He loves cooking with onions.
Oh, these are so fresh.
Let me smell.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Babe. What the? Yeah. Right there.
So
He loves cooking them with onions. He loves it.
what I'll do, I'll show them some recipes.
Okay.
And we'll probably do a cooking segment over here if you guys want to.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You know what? I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you need food, let me know. Write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. I got recipes coming. I got a grater video. Someone sent me a product, a cheese grater. We're going to go over that. And the dehydrator video is coming out. Wait till you see what we're going to do with that. I am so excited. We love you guys.
We love yous.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.